Good morning, students of class 3. Welcome to your moral science class. Today we will do the lesson A Bowl of Rice. Good morning, dear students of class 3. Today we will do a new lesson, and the lesson is A Bowl of Rice. A bowl of rice. I hope, children, you will enjoy this lesson. And the word that is given below this lesson is, the name of the lesson is compassion. Now, what do you mean by compassion? Compassion is a feeling of sympathy towards the sorrows and misfortune of others. Compassion is a feeling of sympathy towards the sorrows and misfortunes of others. Okay, हमें जब किसी के लिए दया आती है, हमें किसी को देख के उसके ऊपर तरस आता है. ओके, लुकिंग एट देयर सॉरोज, उनके दुख को देखकर, उनके मिसफॉर्चून्स को देख के वी फील सैड एंड वी फील compassionate. Okay, we feel compassionate. Okay, let us start the story, and this story is about compassion. Okay, let's read. A king used to travel in a disguise. What do you mean by disguise? Disguise means change in appearance to hide one's identity. Disguise means change in appearance to hide one's identity. भेष बदल के आना. Okay, so there was a king who used to travel in disguise. There was एक राजा था जो ट्रैवल करता था अपनी जगह पर, जहाँ का वो राजा था, अपनी कंट्री में अपना भेष बदल के, एंड ही वुड ट्रैवल इन डिस्गाइज to learn directly about the conditions of his countrymen. He would be accompanied by his ministers in disguise. Okay, and why did he travel throughout the country in disguise? To find out about the conditions of the countrymen. अपने लोगों की जो कंडीशन है, हालत है, उसको देखने के लिए कि कैसे हैं मेरे देश के लोग, ये कर देखने के लिए ही वुड ट्रैवल इन डिस्गाइज. अपना भेष बदल के वो एक नॉर्मल इंसान बन के बाहर निकलता था. ही वुड वॉक आउट, ही वुड वॉक इन हिज कंट्री, travel in his country like a normal human being, so that people will not know who he really is. If people come to know that he is the king of the country, so they will treat him in that way. Okay, अगर वो एक king की तरह निकलेगा तो लोग उसको वैसा आदर देंगे. और लेकिन वो जो था एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग के जैसे निकलता था. टू फाइंड आउट द प्रॉब्लम्स of his countrymen. He would be accompanied. What do you mean by accompanied? Go somewhere with someone. Okay, accompanied means to go somewhere with someone. किसी के साथ कहीं पर जाना, किसी के साथ accompany करना. He would accompany by, he was accompanied by his ministers in disguise. उसके जो ministers थे, उसके साथ के जो लोग थे, उनके साथ मिल के वो country को travel करता था. He would travel the country. One day the king wanted to know how kind and compassionate the people of his kingdom were. So he and his ministers disguised themselves as beggars and went to the nearby village. Now one day again this king, he wanted to know that how compassionate and good and how kind and compassionate his people were. वो ये जानना चाहता था कि उसके अपने लोग कितने दयालु हैं, कितने काइंड हैं, कितने कंपैशनेट हैं. वो अपने लोगों को जानना चाहता था. सो ही again with his ministers disguised himself and also the ministers, and they went as beggars. और क्या बन के वो गए? They went as beggars बन के गए. King and his ministers, king और उसके जो मंत्री लोग थे साथ में, they changed their clothes, they became like beggars. वो beggars की तरह. What are beggars? Who are beggars? Beggars are people who beg, जो भीख मांगते हैं. और and went to a nearby village. Now let's see. They reached a rich merchant's house and raised their bowls and begged for alms. This is not alarms, this is alms. Okay, what they did do? They reached a rich merchant's house. एक अमीर आदमी के घर गए, बिजनेसमैन के, एंड रेज देयर बोल्स, और उन्हें अपने कटोरे को उठाया, एंड बेग्ड फॉर आर्म्स, और भीख मांगी. ओके, आर्म्स मतलब कुछ अच्छा देने, डोनेशन ऑफ मनी और फूड टू द अदर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय आर्म्स? इट इज़ लाइक अ डोनेशन. जब हम किसी भिखारी को या कोई बहुत नीडी है उसको हम कुछ देते हैं, कुछ खाने के लिए या कुछ पैसे, that is alms. Okay, the rich merchant came out of the house and said, I have nothing to give you. When the king and his ministers disguised themselves as beggars and went to a nearby village, first they went to a merchant's house, a rich merchant, and that rich merchant refused that he cannot give him anything. उस rich merchant ने, उस rich आदमी ने refuse कर दिया कि मैं तुम्हें कुछ नहीं दे पाऊँगा. My store caught fire yesterday and my stock of grains was destroyed. I cannot afford to lose more. And what did the rich merchant say? He said that my store caught fire yesterday. कल मेरे store में जहाँ पे सारे grains रखे होते हैं उसमें आग लग गई और सब कुछ destroy हो गया. What do you mean by destroyed? Damage होना. Destroyed means damage, खराब हो जाना, बेकार हो जाना. I cannot afford to lose more. और उसने कहा and he said that I don't have anything, I cannot give you, I have nothing to give. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है देने के लिए. Then let's see what happened further. Hearing this, the king and his men felt sad. जब उन्होंने ये बात सुनी, when they heard this, they were very sad. They moved to another house which was owned by a priest. The priest brought a handful of grains and gave it to the beggars. He said, I am a poor priest. I have a family of 6 to feed. I hope this will do some good to you. Now the next place where the king and his ministers went as beggars was a house of a priest. पंडित के घर पे गए. Okay. The priest brought a handful of grains. What did the priest bring? A handful of grains. What do you mean by handful? Handful means मुट्ठी भर के. मुट्ठी भर के वो उनके लिए जो है grains लेकर आया, अनाज लेकर आया. And gave it to the beggars. And this poor priest, though he was poor, poor means गरीब होना, poor means गरीब. जबकि ये priest poor था, लेकिन फिर भी उसने कुछ निकाल के दिया और उन beggars को दिया. And he said that I am a poor priest, मैं गरीब हूँ and I have a family of 6 members और मेरे घर में 6 लोग हैं family में to feed. आई होप, मैं कुछ सोचता हूँ कि शायद आपको इतना जो मैंने आपको दिया काफ़ी होगा. सो दिस इज़ वॉट द प्रीस्ट गेव टू द king and his minister. But this merchant and this poor priest did not know that these beggars were king and his ministers. Then let's see what happened further. The king and his men then moved to a third house. This was the house of a poor farmer. Now the third place was a place of a poor farmer. एक गरीब किसान की जगह थी, घर था. That year there were no rains and the farmer had suffered huge loss. और जिस साल राजा और उसके मंत्री वहाँ गए, the year the king and his ministers went to this poor farmer house, that year there were no rains. कोई बारिश नहीं थी and the farmer had suffered huge loss. और उस farmer ने, उस किसान को बहुत नुकसान हुआ था because there were no rains during that time. When he saw the beggars, he came out of his hut and gave them a large bowl of rice. And as soon as this farmer he came and he saw the beggars, he quickly went inside and brought a bowl of राइस. जैसे ही उस फार्मर ने, उस गरीब किसान ने उन बेगर्स को देखा, वो जल्दी से अंदर गया और बोल ऑफ राइस लेकर आया. ही ब्रॉट अ बोल ऑफ राइस. विथ folded hands he said, oh brother, please accept this bowl of rice. Now I want to tell you students, this is not bowl. Many of you read it as bowl. This is not bowl, this is bowl. Okay, bowl of rice. And what did he say? Oh brother, he said to the beggar, brother, please accept this bowl of rice. Please मेरा जो ये खाना है, bowl of rice है, bowl of चावल है ना, एक्सेप्ट करो. ये कटोरा चावल का, उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लो. माई वाइफ कुक दिस फॉर लंच टुडे बट यू एंड योर फेलो मैन लुक हंग्री एंड स्टार्व्ड. प्लीज़ ईट दिस humble meal while I bring you some water. And what did this poor farmer, ये गरीब फार्मर ने क्या बोला? What did he say? My wife prepared lunch today but you and your fellow men look hungry. पर उसने क्या बोला कि लेकिन तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा भूखे और परेशान लग रहे हो, तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा भूखे लग रहे हो और starved. What do you mean by starved? Suffer for suffer for hunger. Starved means suffer for hunger. भूख के मारे जैसे सफ़र करना, बेचैनी होती ना, ऐसी बहुत बुरी वाली भूख जो लगती है. ओके, एंड व्हाट डिड दिस पुअर बेगर से? यू एंड योर फेलो मैन, आप और आपके जो साथ के लोग हैं, उसने बेगर से, उन बेगर्स से कहा जो एक्चुअली में they were the king and his ministers. He said, you look very hungry, you take this bowl of rice, you eat it. Okay, my wife prepared this bowl of rice for lunch, please eat this humble meal. What do you mean by humble? Humble means low importance. Humble means low importance. दीन होना, अपने आप को बहुत कम समझना, दूसरों को अपने आप से बेहतर समझना या अपने आप को नीचे रखना, कोई घमंड ना होना. नो प्राइड. ओके, लो meal. And he said, please eat this humble meal, because it was a humble meal. बहुत थोड़ा सा था and उसमें सिर्फ राइस था. there was nothing else, no दाल, no lentil, no vegetables, only a bowl of rice. Okay, so he said, please accept this humble meal while I bring you some water. You eat this while I bring you some water. आप इसको खाइए, मैं आपके लिए पानी लेकर आता हूँ. उसी बीच में the king was touched with the compassion of the poor farmer. He called him to his court the next day and rewarded him with gold coins, which were 10 times the weight of the rice he had offered to him, disguised as beggars. Now, listening to this poor farmer and experiencing what he experienced at his home, ये जो उसने सुना उस पुअर फार्मर की बात को, किंग ने और उसके मिनिस्टर्स ने, they were touched, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा, and they were very happy, they were touched by the compassion of the poor farmer. Now this farmer was already poor, but still he had compassion. The merchant, the rich merchant, he had a lot of money, but still he did not give anything to the beggars. The poor priest was he gave them something, but he was also thinking about his family. But this poor farmer, who had already gone through so much of loss, huge loss, but still this farmer did not think about himself, his family, but when he saw the beggars, he was more concerned about their hunger. He was less concerned about his own hunger, but he was more concerned about the hunger of the beggars. वो जो फार्मर था, उसने अपने बारे में नहीं सोचा, हमें भूख लगेगी तो हम क्या खाएंगे. उसने ये देखा कि ये बेगर्स जो हैं वो कितने भूखे हैं. अपने आप को भूल के उसने दूसरों के ऊपर दया खाई, जबकि वो भी उसकी भी हालत जो थी बहुत ख़राब थी, बट स्टिल he wanted to help, he wanted to give something to the beggars because he thought that they were very hungry, and this thing touched the king. इस बात ने उस king के हार्ट को छू लिया. And the next day, but this poor farmer did not know that this person, this beggar, and the person who accompanied him, these beggars were not actually beggars but the king and the ministers. And what happened the next day? He went back to his kingdom. This king अपने राज्य में वापस गया. In his palace, he called him to his court the next day. और उसने उसको बुलवाया. Who? किसको बुलवाया? Poor farmer को बुलवाया. And rewarded him with gold coins, and he gave him a present, a gift. उसको award किया with gold coins, which were 10 times the weight of the rice. और वो 10 गुना ज़्यादा जो थे, वो जो जितना राइस उसने दिया था, इस बेगर ने जितना राइस, इस फार्मर ने जितना राइस इस बेगर को दिया था, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा, 10 टाइम्स ज़्यादा वो गोल्ड कॉइन्स थे of the rice, and offered to them disguised as beggars. और जो उसने सोचा कि ये beggars हैं, उनको bowl of rice दिया, पर king ने जो उनको gold coins दिए वो 10 times more थे. So children, this story is about compassion. Okay, though this poor farmer was very poor and experienced a huge loss, but he did not think about himself, his family, his wife, his stomach, but he thought about these beggars. Okay, जब हम अपने से बढ़कर दूसरों के लिए सोचते हैं, okay, और हमें उनके ऊपर दया आती, when we think about others more than thinking about our own selves. Sometimes we just keep thinking about ourselves, but we need to look at others also. हमें देखना कि कौन किस तकलीफ़ में है, कहीं उसकी हालत हमसे तो बुरी नहीं है ना. सो हमें उसके लिए करना है, हमें उनको ब्लेस करना है. और यही कंपैशन है, किसी के लिए मन में दया आनी, सिंपैथी आनी. सिंपैथी ओके इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. Okay, so I hope children you have enjoyed this lesson, and God bless you and take care.